Hi kiddos, welcome to Brush and Spoon. All of us have some kind of a hobby and passion. Like it can be music, it can be singing, and I find a lot of kids are into reading. They have their favorite storybooks or comics and characters. They just love to read that. நிறைய பேர் இந்த புக்கை வந்து படிக்கிறாங்க. And one common factor I found பெரியவங்களுக்கும் சின்னவங்களுக்கும் ரொம்ப பிடிச்சமான ஒரு கேரக்டர் in a book வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா I felt Harry Potter. And all of us like, see, I'm not a book reading kind of a person, but I watched that movie and I like to paint. So நிறைய நான் Harry Potter theme-ல நான் paint பண்ணியிருக்கேன். So I thought why not I teach you kids a very simple way of drawing Harry Potter on a plant holder. It's a multi-purpose, not exactly a plant holder. It is a multi-purpose. You can use it in any form. Like நீங்கள் வந்து ஒரு plant holder-க்கு paint பண்ணிக்கலாம், இல்லை ஒரு pen stand-க்கு பண்ணலாம். It's your choice, but it's just a basic way of doing it. So let's get crafting. So the materials I'll be needing is any kind of a jar like this, or you can use even a pot. It has to be a terracotta pot or something like that, any shape and size. I am using these colors, acrylic colors, and any kind of brushes. So first what we'll do is we will draw using a marker or a pencil on the Harry Potter head face portion நம்ம இதில் ட்ரா பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா I'll be needing the hair portion, and here I will go for that glasses of Harry Potter. circle வரைஞ்சிக்கலாம். just basic rough தான். and இங்கே வந்து அந்த ஸ்கார்ஃபுக்கு நம்ம மார்க்கிங் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ இதுதான் பேசிக் மார்க்கிங் நம்ம பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ கலர்ஸ் வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா இந்த 4 ஷேட்ஸ் தான் நான் எடுத்திருக்கேன். I'll be needing red and yellow for the scarf and these colors. So this is the outline. So we will start painting for this. So இதெல்லாம் மூவ் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கலாம். So I'm just arranging it so that it's easy for me to paint. Okay, done. The colors also I'll shift it to the side so it's easy for me. So first hair one that we are doing, so black, I'm going to use black for it. So slowly you can just add, if this is direct acrylic so you don't have to add water edu add panna vendam neenga. So directly you can start applying. So I need brown, so I'm not having brown, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add little bit of orange and blue. So when I'm going to mix orange and blue I'll get brown. So in between what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add little bit of brown, so the hair color looks nice. So orange and blue நான் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் brown கிடைக்கிறதுக்காக. So again I just continue it with black. So you can just color it. So அதே மாதிரி I'm going to just finish it this side also. So I've just finished this one. So again I am neatly doing it with black. So black number fill panikrom adula. So now this is over. So I'm going to use a thin brush and outline the spectacle and the kannadiya vandu nam outline pandrom. So just black thin, like romba periya brush illama, just taking a normal brush and I am doing the circle and the glasses in the side. So same I repeat for the other circle. So the other circle also is done. Okay. So now I'll be taking another brush. So we are going to do the scarf part. So I'll be using red. So it's just like checks kind, like one portion of red. I'm going to give a gap for yellow. Red, again a gap for yellow. So you're going to repeat this. So once this is done, I'm going to take another shade of yellow. So same thing I'm going to do with yellow, but paathu careful pannunga because red is not dried. So neenga pannumbod just give it some time, let the red dry, then you start with yellow, illana color mix aidum. So just give it some time and we do the next shade. So here we go. Use the wrong color. So we are using yellow. So yellow is done. So now what we do is we take red and we're just going to give that scar on his forehead. No, there's a scar always, so we're just going to do that with red. So now what I'm going to do is take black and I'm just going to give an outline. Be very careful because the paint is not dried, so it's going to be very wet. So konjam adu dry aanadukku apparama inga adukku outline kodukkalam. So in the center நம்ம draw பண்றோம். Yeah. So இப்போ with the black, maybe you can just fine tune all the outline. Just give a proper finish. Like a bit of shading or something like that. So I'm just using the brush and just scraping the paint like little like that, so it gives a nice shade to it. So I think now this we've just done the face part. Ipo idu straight panikalam. So this is again the top part. So you know your Harry Potter jar is ready, so we'll just place it in one place. Alaga idu oru edathila place panikalam. So idukku vandu nalla drying time kodunga. Normal room temperature la give it some nice drying time. அப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு எங்க வேணுமோ நீங்க அத வந்து place பண்ணிக்கலாம் wherever you want. கொஞ்சம் ஸ்பேஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு நம்ம அத வந்து place பண்ணலாம். And உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச plant ஏதாவது இருந்துச்சுனா அழகா அதல place பண்ணிக்கலாம் உள்ள. So ஒரு simple and beautiful plant holder மாதிரி நம்ம ரெடி பண்ணியாச்சு. Harry Potter theme வச்சிட்டு இதெல்லாம் நான் ஊத்துனா உங்களுக்கு நல்லா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். Yeah, so a nice Harry Potter theme. So you can light it up and அழகா அந்த Harry Potter theme உங்களுக்கு வந்து இங்க ரெடி ஆயிடுச்சு. So it's a plant holder. You can use it as a plant holder or brush holder. You can use brushes inside. Pen stand madri, you can use it according to your choice. So to all the Harry Potter fans, so kids, hope you all watched the way I painted it. It was very simple and easy. I know you guys will do a better job than what I did actually. So I want all of you to try this out. See, I had actually used an old Urga Jadi pickle jar is what I used. I didn't use a terracotta. And one more thing, I told you that we need skin color tone. When you observe the colors, I had used even skin tone. In case you are using a terracotta, then for the face you have to put the skin flesh tone neenga paint pannano, because I just used a base color. The jar itself had the color. So taniya na skin tone podla. In case neenga vandu terracotta pot use pandringa appadina, skin ku you have to give that skin tone color. Rest all is the same format. So get into the crafting mode and enjoy your Harry Potter theme of painting today. Please try out this craft what we have learned today. Please share the photos with me and your comments, and happy crafting. Stay home and stay safe.